Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Check your GPU and driver are current, and run OBS as administrator so it can access game output. Once done, disable GPU scaling in your display driver and shut down overlays that hook into the screen, Discord, GeForce Experience, and Xbox game bar. Make sure the game is running in the same GPU context as OBS. On laptops, set both to the high-performance GPU. These steps remove permission and GPU routing conflicts that cause black capture. Next, configure OBS to match the game's rendering. Set OBS to use the Direct 3D11 renderer and choose Game Capture with Capture-specific window to reduce ambiguity. If that fails, test Capture any full-screen application or try Window Capture with Bitbolt disabled. On systems with multiple GPUs, make sure OBS and the game are bound to the same GPU in Windows graphics settings. These changes align render pipelines, preventing black frames caused by mismatched GPU contexts or capture priorities. Finish by testing remaining conflicts. Toggle Use Anti-Cheat Compatibility Hookoff and try running OBS in compatibility mode or as a portable install to rule out profile corruption. Reinstall GPU drivers with a clean option if capture still fails, and temporarily use display capture to confirm the game renders on your desktop. If problems persist, check overlay logs and GPU vendor overlays for blocking hooks. Resolving those hooks typically restores game capture. One key tip: switching OBS to the same GPU as the game often fixes stubborn black screens.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.